gouge out them eyeballs and bring them back to you. Make a nice little appetizer, don't you think?
Oh, you do that for me?
I feel we're bonded in our hate for this she-demon.
Go on. And if you could bring me a leg, too, I'd appreciate it.
A leg? She's got two, doesn't she? You'll get them both.
And maybe,
Hey! Let's not get greedy.
Oh, sorry.
Xena's blood or die! Thank the gods we're done with Cyclopses.
What do you think?
I think you got a sore throat. I've just blocked off the flow of blood to your brain. You'll be dead in 20 seconds unless I release you. Now, why are you following me? 10 seconds.
Draco, he sent me.
Draco.
He plans to destroy your home valley.
You'll regain feeling in a few minutes.
Hey. Hey. Are you dead?
Where are you headed?
Amphipolis.
Worked. I've been lying here, supplicating myself to the great god Hermes, guide of travelers, begging him to send someone who's on the way to Amphipolis. And here you are. It's a miracle, don't you think?
Not really. This is the road to Amphipolis. Anybody that had come along here would have been headed there.
Yeah, but not everybody's a kindly old man who'll give me a ride.
Right about that. I know I'm not going to give you a ride.
Oh, no, you've got to. I'll never make it by myself. I didn't bring enough food. I've already gotten lost twice. I wore the wrong shoes. Look at
Look,
this.
I'm sorry, but I ain't got any room.
My father will give you a handsome reward when we reach Amphipolis. He's very rich.
What's his name?
Dolan.
Dolan. The horse breeder?
Best horses in Thrace. I'll make sure he gives you a fresh steed for your troubles.
There ain't no horse dealers in Amphipolis. It's all sheep country.
I've been told that I'm very pleasant company on a trip. I can sing. I know several poems which I recite with great passion. A traveling bard once gave me lessons. I sing of Oedipus, king of Thebes, the most tragic of men.
Whoa, whoa.
What's the matter?
You're going to tell me about Oedipus? I knew Oedipus. I grew up in Thebes.